Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Come test drive the 2019 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, child safety locks, multifunction display, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.